Hi everybody, Michael here at Byerly. For the first products of the week video, we're going to be going over two of Valterra products sewer hose kit options, the Viper and the Dominator. The Viper sewer hose is constructed of a super tough 25mm UV protected TPE material. It also features a durable 135mm protective beading on the exterior, which gives the hose amazing abrasion resistance. The beading also allows for the hose to be crushed, walked on, even driven over, and your Viper sewer hose will pop right back into shape. Now the Dominator sewer hose is made up of a 23mm UV stabilized poly construction for superior leak protection. Its rigid construction allows you to set the hose in any shape you want, and it will maintain that shape the entire time. Both the Viper and Dominator sewer hose kits come with everything you need to make hookup a breeze, featuring two 10-foot sewer hoses with pre-attached swivel fittings, plus a 90-degree sewer adapter with clear elbow. The three ring sizes allow you to hook up to virtually any dump station, and the clear elbow makes it so that you can see when your tanks have finished draining. Both of these products will be on sale starting January 2nd through the 7th at 30% off, in-store and online at byerlyrv.com.
For the rest of your life.